Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to hide the products in your WooCommerce WordPress website. First of all guys, I will need you to go to your dashboard.com, so it's pretty simple. Go to your wordpress.com/wp admin and then open the dashboard from there. Then go to plugins, add new and search for WooCommerce, so here it is. And then you will find it in the first option. Click on install now and then click on activate. After that, go to installed plugins, go to active, and from here guys you will find WooCommerce over here. So if you find it, that means that you are good to go. If not, go to inactive, then make sure to find it over here and activate it. Then refresh the page and you will notice that there is some other extra menu that has been added to your main menu in the dashboard. Now, how we can actually hide the product, that's what I'm going to show you now. So here, as you can see, there is new menu that has been added: WooCommerce, product, payment, analytics, and marketing. Now, let's go to products, and let's say that we want to hide this product, which is iPhone X. As you can see, there is like kind of three ways to hide it, or two ways. The first one, which is by clicking on it, and as you can see here, you can just move it to trash. And basically that's what it does is actually it's gonna hide it. It's not gonna completely delete it, but it's gonna hide it in a way. You can always get it restored back from the trash section. The second thing which is go into it over here, so let's edit it. And from here guys you can just copy to a new draft and it will be drafted. So it will be no longer available so we can see it, etc. So here you can see status, draft, visibility. You can edit from here and make it private. So that's how you can actually hide it from others. And that's it. When you finish with that, click on update and you will notice that the actually thing has been like hidden and it is private now. So guys, that's how you can hide your products in WooCommerce. Thank you a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.